So let's turn it on. What I wanted to do was give you a brief overview on this APF with the built-in display, which has a DB gate built into it. It's a digital DB gate. It's got audio controls on the front. You can pause, resume, back up, introduce low-pass filtering, as you can see here, low-pass filtering. It's just a more condensed APF from the other one. This is a totally different version. Obviously has more functions and features built into it. It is going to be slightly more money. So the other one, it will become our basic unit, which has the noise gate, but it has the potentiometers. It does not have the display. And then this one will be a more advanced version if you care to go in that direction. Let's go through the buttons and so forth. To pause, you would use switch 1 as a shift and 2. Switch 1 and 2, and that would pause it, and then that would resume it. Hitting 2 by itself backs up 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and so forth, 30 seconds, as far back as you want to go. Hitting 2 buttons like that resets everything. Since I'm on it, this is the volume control. I'm going to rewind it. I'm going to slow it down. This shows you how slow you're going. I've reduced the speed by 15%. So even though I'm sweeping at 150, I've reduced the playback speed by 15%. I'm going to rewind you again, bring the volume up a little bit. I hear you. Let's do it one more time. Sounds good, thank you. Okay. Starting to hear the noise gate kick in. Wait, I just heard something. I'm backing you up, all right? Hold on. It's working. It's working. Of course it is. What do you mean it's not working? Let me hear you again. It is working. Thank you. Let me back up a little bit. Thank you very much. So I'm going to pause you 1 second. So what I just heard there was something about, isn't it working? And then another spirit answers that spirit. He says, it's working. And in case you missed it, listen for it just a little bit more. I'm going to resume it and back it up. So that's pretty much what was just discussed. Okay. That is it. That is what I wanted to show you. All right. I'm going to erase everything there real fast. Hold on a minute. You said something interesting, and I'm being distracted here. Hold on one second. What did you say? Thanks. I appreciate that. Hold on one second. I want to hear you say that one more time. I've reduced the speed playback by 25%. All right, hold on a second. That was really interesting. A lot of activity right now. That was a female, clearly. Let's make it a little bit tougher. I'm introducing the noise gate. I'm at minus 16 dB. Now I'm at minus 15 dB. So what we've done right there is we've basically disabled the sweep noise that is falling below a threshold, and anything above that threshold will come through. Let's slow it down a little bit. Showing 80%, which means I've slowed it down by 20%. I'm down to minus 14 dB. Okay, reset. That's very clear. It's working. I heard that very clearly. Thank you. All right. Dropping the noise gate down to minus 14 dB. That is it. That is what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching.